bullshit out here in this bitch, you know. Oh my god. Shit. Shit. Ling, Storm Ling Ling 2017 got me fucked. If I slip, it's some bullshit. It's some bullshit. It's not too bad now. Got me fucked. Got my car. Fuck me. Fuck me, niggas. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. You know how we do. Oh, shit's done. Oh. Got me fucked here. Got me fucked. Oh shit. Ling Storms from 2017 got me fucked. I'm trying to get some snacks. I'm just trying to get some fucking snacks. Shit got me fucked. Something got me fucked up, son. Car stipulation. Oh shit. Fucker, come on. I die, guys. I go. Fuck, I'm about to die today. Whee! Look at that. Dang, Stone Swords 2017. Ling got me fucked. I can't see what the fuck I'm going, guys. I might die tonight, so fuck it. Ling got me fucked today. Oh, Ling got me fucked today. Ling got me. Shit, I put the brakes on my car and fucking up already, son. Fuck, 27. Oh, it got me fucked, son. Okay. Got some bullshit, niggas. Some bullshit. Damn, my car fucked, man. Damn, niggas, we fucked. You know we fucked. Shit too late in this bitch. Ooh. Oh. Body's stuck right now. We gotta make it home, guys. Gotta get some snacks before snowstorm. Ooh, they're coming. Ooh, oh, this thing's a wicked shit. Ooh. Charlie's about cat with you, bro.
You want me to go longer?
Tired, ain't you, boy? Boy.
Chill out.
Boy. Small dick boy. 3 inches like shit. Nigga, you show me your ass, nigga. Oh, faggot like this. Faggot. Hey, Leon said we could go over.
Right now? We should go later, because I'm about to go somewhere right now.
What time? Okay.
I don't know. Like 8?
Well, remember I got work, bitch. Remember I got work, bitch.
Oh shit, nigga, I'm about to go to the...
You know where we going? We going to Ling Ling. All this snow is evaporating, bro. Look at all this snow. It's going like shit. Oh. No more snow. My new car, my new whip right there. Everything, you know, like shit. Oh. Sunshine. Bitch, we looking at, bitch. You know, about to go watch some anime right now. Some anime. So what we're watching right now. What are you watching right now? What are we watching? You want anime with me? Come watch anime with me, guys. Watch some anime. Let's go watch anime, guys.
It is similar in appearance to Kenosuke's. I believe he had mentioned that he'd stolen his sword from an enemy at one point in time.
Yes, well, it seemed to be made of the same
Anime.
material. However, this sword is quite a bit newer than the one Kenosuke was carrying with him. I wonder what this is.
You know, storm on Ling Ling wasn't that big, so not too much snow, guys. So I'm out then. Fuck storm Ling Ling. We out. People don't know how to do this stuff. My niggas don't know how to put my money. Yo, my can't look. See, he told me to hold up, bro. What is this? Hold up, bro. What? This can't be. Can't hold up, bro. Watching YouTube. Ooh, you know, getting a little here, guys.
We have already spent 30 oracles.
You know, like, comment, subscribe to shit. Cause you know, shit be lit. So bye.